The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
All righty, fellas. Hump day. Today is Wednesday, February 9th. And we are back at it. The markets are behaving like, well, what they used to. Grinding higher, guys. Looks like we're headed to 500. Looks like we're headed to 500, guys. I gave last evening, I gave an 850 target on the Nasdaq. I guess I missed that by 75 handles at this point. Didn't see this coming. But if I had to guess now, we trade to 15,000, give or take 35, which is the 200-day moving average. It's probably where we're headed up. There's nothing to stop it from here to, 15,000 and change. Coming in, as we open the room this morning, Nasdaq is up 185, ES is up 38 handles, YM is up 210, EMD is up 19 and change, Russell is up 16, gold is up $4, silver's up, crude's down 41 cents, 42 cents. Yeah, gold just took off, not sure what that was about, but today is Wednesday, so it's crude inventory day. Good morning, Becky, and blessings. For those of you guys that, may be newer, I generally do not run the crude bot on Wednesday. It typically acts less than consistent. On the week, crude is 4 for 5, and Wednesdays can be choppy. Now, the last 2 Wednesdays, the crude bot has traded exceptionally well. Gold just broke out of the range, that's all. Let me take a look at that real quick. Yeah, breaking out. Gold is probably headed back to 38. Remember, we have CPI tomorrow, so this can all change, but geez, that was a monster move on gold. $5 move, $4 move, nice move. In any event, good morning, Keith. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We do have a trial that began today. I don't think he's in the room as of yet. Let's see what we've got, guys. Let's take a quick look around. All right, Nasdaq. All right, well, volume is coming down a bit. It's still above our, average for when we come in, historically about 68,000 contracts. We're only at 86,000. We do have 3,400 net buyers. Good morning, Ozzy. We do have about 3,400 net buyers. I surely am not looking to be long up here. ES volume is a little closer to normal when we come in. We do have 8,600 plus net buyers in the ES. And here's your gold. 1,500 buyers in this candle. This was your spot to enter, 31.4. 31.4. 276 buyers came in. Good morning, Chris. We do have an unfinished auction down here at 29.1, the bottom of the current candle. Would not be surprised if this comes back, fills that auction, and then continues on its merry way. And crude, 2,100 net sellers. We are below VWAP, 77. So crude volume still a little bit high, but good morning, Dan. It's at least coming back to earth. Nasdaq, tough to want to, short this, but we're going to pull back. I would think, before the open. Anybody, in our session, the cash session, for them to want to be long, they're not buying it at 925. Take a look at Nasdaq on a 4-hour chart. So 4 candles ago at 765, 240-minute went long. Support, real support, is going to come in 7. We've got right about here 800. I'm hard pressed to believe we're coming back to 800, but that's pretty good support on the 4-hour. Not probable that we come back into that area. Russell is actually on the cusp of blowing out, up. Yeah, this also same look. Current candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 hours ago. So Russell broke up yesterday. YM going to be the same look. They're all looking the same. YM. In any event, guys, we are here. See what we get today. I'm looking for a pullback, or else we're just going to sit here and twiddle thumbs. Because I surely, good morning, Hubba Hubba. I surely am not buying anything up here. All right, let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we will check. Good morning, Mimi. Yeah, it's a tough trend to want to sell against, Dan. It's going to come down. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. I would think crude comes down to 88.50. That was yesterday's low. Let me take a look at crude. You know what, Sam? They may, but that's basically part of order flow education, and I'm not going to go into that. Yeah, I think you got crude probably comes down to 88.30. But anybody in the order flow group would know. Guys, here's and I forgot to do this. We have had 2 bot trades today. A winner and a loser on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq took a short at 6:15 and immediately flipped into a long at 6:18. All targets hit. That is the only bot trade or trades that we have had. There has been nothing in gold as of yet. Nothing. Last week, the NQ bot ran at 72%. Its historical average has been 68. And this week, the bot is 356. 6 divided by 9. Let's see here, 6. So we've taken 10 trades so far through today. So far this week, it's running at 60%. So it's basically one trade below its historical average, but it's not quite to that 72% that it ran at last week. Last week, it was 13 for 18. Last week, gold and crude traded below their averages. Gold was at 61, crude was at 67. This week, gold is 3 for 8, and crude is 4 for 5. You know, it's still early in the week. Watch for 10-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. Thank you, Lori. Thank you. Guys, we're going to get a pullback. I just don't have it yet. No Ludwig levels? I didn't notice. Nope, her servers must be down. Yeah, they are. Yeah, we have them. Hit F5 again. We have them. Yeah, they're up. Thank you, Joe. Yep, they must have been down. Just hit F5, James. We're getting ready to flip over. We do have a bit of support here at this 925, but I think we're going to roll over. Now, I mean, we could pull back. We could pull back all the way to 800. I do not think so. I mean, we could. I just don't think so. Russell may give you a small short. Never mind. It just hit almost first target. If it breaks below this, if it breaks below 58, Russell could come down to 55, 54. That would be pretty good support unless we roll over on the hourlies. Crude, I don't have a trade, but I'm watching. Again, it is Wednesday. I will not run my crude bot today. That is not a hard and fast rule. There are no hard and fast rules. You guys can elect to run them through news. You guys can elect to run them 24 hours a day. You can, whatever it is you want to do as a trader. But I will not run crude bot on inventory days. You can try a small short on gold back to VWAP, and we do have an unfinished auction at 29.1. I'm a little leery of the short. I would probably make it about 30.1, maybe 30.1, 30.2. It's not much of a target, VWAP. It's no interest to me on the shorts. Yeah, at one time, Paul, we did trade the UK session. I did get up at actually 345. I could not get up at 245. And we traded the London session until about 6 a.m. And while it can be slower, that's typically, where the trends begin is at 3 a.m. Somewhere between 3 and 3:30. I cannot do it and run an afternoon session till 4. I can't do it. Yeah, I was looking for the shorts on oil on the pullback, and I passed on the long. Again, I'm not a big pre-market guy, fellas. I really don't care for pre-market. This 9 to 9:30 is Olympic curling reruns are on. If someone wants some excitement, can somebody explain the sport of curling? Can somebody explain to me how that's even a sport? I don't understand it. I don't get it. Yeah, exactly. First, you need a lot of beer. Exactly. Shuffleboard on ice. I mean, it is the most absurd, stupid thing I've ever seen. Seriously. The next Olympics, if they want to do anything even dumber, they should put not darts. What's the thing you do with the bean bags? You toss them in the hole. It's a professional tournament now, professional league. Cornhole, exactly. Beer and ice would be interesting. How about ice in your beer? But seriously, maybe cornhole should be an Olympic sport. Olympic horseshoes. There you go, another one. What's next? The only thing I really watch, beer pong. I like that too. Back in the day, it was pretty good. The only thing I really watch is the skiing. That's all I care about. Hockey I would watch hockey. Right? I can't say that out loud. I can't. I have to maintain some political correctness. Guys, it looks like they shut the market off. Go! Gold, you beast. First target hit on gold. It's a monster. Nine ticks. Monster trade. Watch the move up through 28. Russell shorted on the bot right on the open. I don't dig the trade. Here comes 900. They're buying Russell. Small sellers on the open here, guys. 115. Nothing. He's trying to bounce out of here. Here comes that 900 number. Out on the Russell. I'll show the trade after. I'm watching this Nasdaq. You can take the long at 26 on the up move so far. There are no buyers yet. Small sellers in here. Still think we tag 900. YM lower. Looking for a size buyer. So far 59 is it. We're not interested in that. There's a 120, 125. They're buying 6.5. They're buying 6.5 right now, 129. We tag 900 just below. And this is the move we were looking for earlier. Watch that 120 buyer again. 129 buyer at 6.5. Guys, there's only 170 sellers in here. You can try a long at right here. Crap. 8.5. You can try the long now. It's a little bit late, but not terribly. This should be where we go up. They bought them again. They're buying 6.5. They're buying 6.5. 140 contracts at 6.5. Okay. We're going up, guys. I'll try that 6.5 again. You should be long 6.5 for that area. Here we go. There we go. If you're long, target number 1 is going to be 33, 34, 33. Target 1 is 33. Target hit, free trade. Free trade. Free trade, fellas. I do not, George. I do not. All of my order flows are 5 minute. Nice job, Marco. This was the Russell trade. Nice job, Paul. Come on, give me something. Looks like we're coming down. Doop-de-doo, doop-de-doo, doop-de-doo. We're doop-de-dooing around. They bought the Russell. All right. Sit tight, guys. Sit tight. I'm looking for a buyer to get long with. I'm looking for a buyer to get long with. I mean, there's a long above 14.15 here with a first target 24.25. There you go. 24.25 target 1. 24. I would say 24. You could probably get 25. 14.15 to 25. Oh, you dog. Got 21.75. Come on, push. Buyers. There it goes. There's 24 to the tick. 24 to the tick. Should get 25. We're going to cap out not much higher, I would think. ES at the high of the day, the Nasdaq. There you go. Come on, push it. All right, there's your 25. Target 1 hit and filled, whether it was 24 or 25. Stop should be a break even. There you go, guys. Now we're going to try to trade to 44. If you're long 14.15, you're going to try to trade to 44. Always trade as you see fit for your account on the runner, but first target is filled. There we go. Come on, 44. 44 target hit. Now, if you want to hold it, it's completely free. Your prerogative. If you're in at 14.15 area, move your stop now to 33. 33. And let her rip. Let her rip. Final target, 71. Got a big buyer up top here at 50. Thank you, Jeff. Guys, if you're paying attention, you're banking. You're making tendies. If you're not, then you're not. Thank you, Dave. Nice job, guys. Nice job, Ozzy. You would be out of the trade now. Nasdaq still kind of searching for that move higher. ES is stuck. Coming back down into support is all. Nice job, Marco. Just another small short on bombs, but I can only watch so much, guys. YM coming down. Let me take a look around here, guys. YM's a short. YM is a short. YM is a short. I would say first target, if you want to sell 64, your stop has to be 633. Target 1 maybe 28, 28 on target 1. Nasdaq. For me to get in. Time for me to get in the game, guys. I got you the easy ones. $106 isn't scaring me. Not with that delta. Come on, pull back a little deeper. Give me a whole number pullback. I have nothing to key off of yet, fellas. Nothing. My sense is we're going to come down. So let's see. We've got nothing. 180, 170. Maybe another push into 50. Another push up to 50. We're struggling up here, though. We're not finding size, but there's trades. There's not much. Again, guys, no hurry here, right? Everybody should be green. Unless you're doing your own thing. No bot trades. Russell took one at the open, failed. Gold is trying to turn up. ES is well into long, so nothing there. Nasdaq. Nothing. Yeah, me too. George, for me, that is a paramount thing for this to auto scroll, because this is, especially with these big candles early on, this is a pain in the neck, and it's really hard for me to trade because I'm trying to find you guys trades, and I have to keep scrolling this order flow, which is a pain in the utter neck. But an auto center would do the trick. Some block sale here, 31 cars, nothing. We're down to 2,300. We just came down to 10 area and bounced. I'd like to see a pullback to 03 and then see what we get at 03. We should bounce down to 2,200. 10-minute, we've worked off overbought. We're good. Come on, give me something. Oh my goodness, a bot trade. Gold. Here's gold, got target 1 already. 10 lousy ticks. It'll get taken out at even on the runner. That is trade number 2 on gold. I like gold long. That break even's a pain in the neck. I shouldn't have it on. They're just dragging longs and shorts in, but I think we have to come to 03. It's kind of the area that I'm looking at, 02, 03, with a stop at 88. I want to see buyers. Come on. All right, there was 4. I said 2 or 3, not 4. Come on, dog. You son of a gun. Let it chop, guys. Let it chop. We're not in it. Who cares? Gold. Let me get that break even the hell off, guys. All right, we're coming down to that 03. Here's our support. 350. That's our support. I'm going to try the long, fellas. And I'm late. I hit buy market and got filled late. Stop is 88. You rat bag. It's going to get me. I'm out. Didn't hold 03. There was a buy zone there from earlier. Looks like we're going to tag VWAP. We're coming back 850. We're coming back 850. We held 81. But it looks like we're going to come back to 850. Come on, come tag VWAP. Come on, come get VWAP. Come get you some. Now we're just sitting. Big seller here. And we're coming down below that. I think we're coming to that. I think we're coming to VWAP, would be my guess. Needs to come down through this swing at 77. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. There we go. Come on. I'm not looking at any equities at the moment, Mimi. It's all I can do to watch order flow. It's one chart. ES is the reload. We're going to tag VWAP. Here it comes. There it is. Boom. Down to 1,200 buyers. Times 52. I'm looking for the Nasdaq guys to come down to that 850 area. 850. That should be hourly support, unless they plan on blowing that. Yeah, yesterday's high is 776. I don't think we're coming down there on a direct move. Maybe. All I can do is tell you where support is. Again, it's small time frame support. I know where 4-hour support is. I know where hourly support is. And look to buy those levels. Unless you think we're selling off. I don't, but you know, they want to give. We could come 800. Obviously, anybody in this session wants to get in as low as possible. I think they've done this pretty good. Some buyers coming back in. Nice job, Ozzy. Ten seconds, next candle. Above 85, 86. We're going to get another push up, it looks like. We got to 85.50. All right, this is the next long. 81 buyer. All right, I'm going to try the long with the 81 buyer, 84 buyer. Come on, get above 86, 87. Come on. Push. Really need to get above 90 now. 90. Still doesn't want to bounce. Come on. 93 buyer here. They bought him again, 96, 97, 900. Come on, push it, you dog. You're almost there. Push it. Got above 90. It's got to break 91.50. Target is 05. Got it. Come on. Target number one, maybe 01. Failed. 102, they bought him again at 85. 104, they're buying 85, guys. Annoying. Come on, Nasdaq. Everything else is doing fine. $106. All right, guys, I'm going to kill this trade. I'm out. I'm out. It pushed up about 10 handles and didn't keep going. All right, Paul. Just watch that level, 85. Now we're below VWAP. Trying to still hold VWAP, but I get you guys the easy ones. Watch that 85. Times 958. Next bar for me in minute and 40 seconds. Below 1,000 net buyers. And no bot trades. Nothing going on with the bots. Watch that 85 again. I'm going to try that again. 85. 115. They're buying them again. They're still buying them at 85. Now we need to get above 94. 94 half. Come on. Let's go to 05. Another, it'll go 10 handles. It just, you got an offer sitting on them, but nothing. If you guys want ticks, if you're long, reduce risk, go ahead. Get you a trade. I just can't get a target. Higher high. Jesus. Come on, you. 05. Push here. Here's where we're sticking. 93.4 area. Come on. We're not going anywhere at 17 buyers. Come on, you got them. We come through this swing at 95, and this is going to rip. Not going on 30 buyers, though, fellas. There we go. Come on. Rip it up to 05. Target 1. or as you see fit. If you got $500-600 in here, guys. Still doesn't want to go. Come on. This is a slow trade for 5. There we go. 5 handles. There's my target. You scumbag. There's target 1. I sold 2. There's target 1 is off. Got 05 and then some. Man, that was a pain in the neck. Now you got a free trade. There we go, guys. Now we're shooting for 22. 22. Back up to 1,800 buyers. Come on, push here. Push. Got to 17. Small sellers in here. Should get to 22. 21. Got enough buyers. Got to push up through 17 again. No. Maybe pull back again and find buyers. If we get through 17, we're going. That swing there, 17 quarter. We've got sellers in here. All right, I'm out. I'm out. It's all right, we're still going up, Mimi. Let's see where we could pull back to. I know we're going up. Nice job, Sam. Really would like to see this come back to that hourly support at 850. YM flat, ES flat as well. Russell's the rock star so far today. Crude, nothing. Inventory in 24 minutes. Gold, nothing. Natty gas, still getting beat to death like a redheaded stepchild. Nvidia pushing 255 is trying to push up through. Let's see, today is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday. Last week, Wednesday's high. Microsoft pulling back. SPYs are stuck at their 100. The SPYs gapped up into their 100-day moving average. So there's a gap fill from about here, 56, back down to 50, 37 area. I mean, Jim, I don't normally know. Got buyers on the 3-minute. Got to be long Nasdaq, guys. Got to be long Nasdaq. It just sucks, but look at the composite. We're pushing up now. We're trying to push higher. We're longs on the cash. There it goes. There it goes. Told you we're going higher. We're not. This is just BS. Everything is pulled down. Damn it. 31. We're going higher, guys. My mic is not off. You guys can hear me okay, right? Okay. I'm just waiting on the next candle. Ten seconds. Here's our next candle. Come on, give me something. I'm going to take the long again, guys. I really want the longs. I really want the longs. I don't want shorts. I want longs. We have 14. We don't have a ton of buyers. We did. We've got almost 1,500. This is just waffling in here. You are sellers on the 160. This has to hold for me 05, basically. Better entry here. Nasdaq's now trading like it did the other day. Come on, Nasdaq. Sitting on support here. It's got to hold for me. Fudger, you are a rat bag. Okay, Deepak. I saw it. I saw it. We're down below 1,000 buyers again. Here we go with this chop and slop now ahead of CPI. Okay. 864.75. I don't really want shorts yet. I don't have shorts. I'm well above VWAP. Need to get back above 10. Guys, I'm going to start trading other stuff. Coffee, cocoa, cotton. If you guys don't trade it, you don't trade it. This is a pain in the neck. That's it. I'm done. Right here. I'm done with the Nasdaq, guys, for now. I'm done. We're falling back to the hourly lows. I'm done trading the Nasdaq for now. This is just sloppy. I'm getting no, look at these candles. We got that nice move back up, higher high, lower high, now a lower low. No follow through here. None. I still don't want shorts. They all trade the same, buddy. They all trade the same. Put a different heading on the chart, they look the same. But we're not getting any, I'm not getting anything with the Nasdaq or the YM or the Russell, and I really don't trade the ES. None that I know of. The afternoon session, Jennifer, is far better. But this is a sloppy trade. I mean, it is what it is. You know, yesterday, last 2 days, we completely ratcheted them. I take the good with the bad. I'll get them eventually. But we have CPI tomorrow. I understand. I mean, Jennifer, I understand. Let me ask you a question, and I don't mean to be an ass. Let me ask you an honest question. Why do I catch shit? I'm just curious. Why am I catching crap? I mean, I wish I could control the markets, fellas. Well, that's not entirely true, Jennifer. How did you do yesterday? All targets hit. Second trade, winning trade. This is the third trade. First target hit. I think we'll eventually get to that second target. We are going to trade to 15,000 today. All right. Gold. Trade number 1 was a winner. Trade number 2 was a winner. And here we are in the third trade doing nothing. We'll see what happens. Crude would have taken no bot trades anyways today. ES took no bot trades today. Here's the ES, no trades on the bot. Crude I didn't run, but would not have taken any trades anyways. Here is Russell. Took a short right at the open, 8 seconds in, foul. Long, foul. 0 for 2, 0 for 3, and now 1 for 4. You're welcome, Sean. Daily goal in, 1 for 4. On the day, here's where we're at. The bot is up 990 on the day with 2 contracts left here, 1 here, and 3 here. So I've got 1 left on Nasdaq. That cannot lose money, right? I mean, it can come back to break even is all it can do. It can't lose money. Russell can come back to break even but can't lose money. And gold can, if it goes to stop, 29.7, let's see here, 32.6. So take off 30 would be 90, could lose 900, minus 180, could lose 720 if it goes to a stop out. So if that goes to a loss and nothing else happens with the Nasdaq and the Russell, we still finish up 270. Worst case is the bot finishes up 270. Best case is we get all targets. So if you guys are here on trial, when you get the final email, it'll, when you get your daily update today, it will have the final total when those numbers complete. If I had to guess, gold is going to go up. I don't think gold is going to come down. I don't know. I think Nasdaq will get second target, which is 66 handles. Anybody take this Nasdaq trade, guys? I mean, look at in the end. Let me just see one thing here, guys. All right, so I am still down. I am still